What's up, everybody? Peter the Leader coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we're going to do something crazy. We're going to unbox a full case filled with 24 Vinylmations. This is the Robot Series 3 box, and I'm going to try some things out with this thing because apparently I've been researching, trying to figure out if all the boxes, the placement of each vinyl is in the same exact places. And I've been looking online because people have unboxed these and taken pictures of how the layout is, as you can see here. And I came across two different layouts, so I'm gonna see if it's consistent with those. And maybe I won't even unbox all of them, and I'll keep them closed so people can purchase them, closed, and it's guaranteed that whatever's in there is what I say it is. So here we go. Come on. I'm running out of real estate here. I don't think I've had something like this on my table. Let's go mobile. Let's take you on a journey. All right, let's open it. Open here. Very interesting. All right, here's all the boxes. Now, according to the one I'm looking at right now, if I were to open this box, this would have to be the Winnie the Pooh vinyl. So let's see. And look at that. This is the Winnie the Pooh. The Pooh Bot. Now, just to make sure that I didn't just get lucky, let's look at this guy. Now, the chaser is this one, according to that photo. So, let's unbox. What should we unbox? Okay, this one. If this is a, what is this, Donald Duck maybe? All right, if this is a Donald Duck, then for sure I know exactly where each vinyl is without even having to open it. So here we go. We're gonna unbox this guy. Let's not mix up the order here. Pooh, you stay here, buddy. We'll get back to you. All right, here we go. If this one is the Donald Duck bot, then I don't have to unbox anything else because I know what's in each one. All right, here we go. And there you have it. 2 for 2. So now I know exactly where each vinyl is, and I can open whichever one I want. The rest of you, if you guys are collectors or traders, I will be posting these up on eBay. Some of the duplicates, I'll keep one and keep the entire series of 12, but the duplicates I'll put up on eBay. And there you go, guys. Follow me on Twitter. Should be around here somewhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Peter the Leader TV, and on Instagram at Peter the Leader. All right, see you guys.